Well, we're at the Tangerine restaurant and everybody's eating their fish, but I got here too late. All that's left is these piles of bones.
Yeah, no kidding.
You're picking yours pretty clean.
Oh, yeah, that's good.
You liked it?
Very good.
I want you to know, just for the record, I started with 2 fish and a couple of loaves, and look what I did. Don't try this at home, kids. I'm a professional.
Oh, boy. Here's the group.
Replica of the church of 480. So where are you in the 480 church? You're right here in the atrium. So far we talked about the church, but this is an integral part of the church, where this strip here along the 3 entrances is called the narthex, where Christians or where people who were not Christians actually stood.
The group is learning about the church, and I'm going to take you in to see what they're going to see in just a minute when we bring them in to see the place where Jesus multiplied the loaves and fish. We are in the church of Tabgha, this church of the 7 springs, but this is the place where Jesus turned a few loaves and fish into enough to feed thousands. And this is the beautiful church. And the site that most people come for is that mosaic right there of the loaves and fish from the 5th century. Amr explaining about the olive tree and how it represents Christians in the Holy Land. I'll tell you, Amr. I'll tell you. This is our group down along the shore of the Sea of Galilee. This the event that took place here was from John chapter 21, where Jesus came and cooked them fish and loaves on a charcoal fire while they were out fishing and told them to cast their net on the other side. And this church here is called the Primacy of Peter, or the Mensa Christi, the table of Christ. And inside, I'm going to show you soon, I'll take a picture of the table where the Lord fed the disciples. They brought the fish in right from here.